How to contact Axe customer service. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to contact Axe customer service using the official help center. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Axe app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and support. And now here, under that option, you simply have to tap on help center. And now here, once you are inside the help center, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the contact us option. And now here in this section, you simply have to fill in the form or search for the details. And here, once you're done submitting your form, you simply have to wait for some time, and Axe will send updates to the email linked to your account, so make sure to check your inbox and even your spam folder. And that's it. That's how you can contact Axe, formerly known as Twitter customer service, through the official help center. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.